Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2012 Skoda Yeti Ambition, stock reference number 4232. This shape runs from the 9th month 2011 through to the 12th month 2017. It has a CFHC 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. CFH 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the rear end. We have the bonnet, which has one small dent across the front edge. Radiator grille, it's got a tidy front bumper cover. We have the right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left hand headlight. Left guard has a few small dents. This vehicle is fitted with a factory 17-inch alloy mag. Left front has a bald tyre. We have the left power door mirror. Both left hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror. Right hand guard appears to have no damage. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It has a black cloth center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control heater controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type. We do have the tail lights, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.